Don't casually touch a guy's chest. Some men have a physiological response to chest touching. It's called sad nipple syndrome. When stimulated, some men's chests experience a series of negative emotions, like sadness and anxiety. The human nipple is extremely sensitive. It contains many nerve endings, so light touch can trigger intense sensations. These nerve signals quickly reach the brain, triggering various reactions. For most people, nipples are a source of pleasure, but for some individuals, the feeling is completely opposite. When nipple signals reach the brain, it interprets them as comfort or discomfort. For those with sad nipple syndrome, the brain misreads stimuli as negative emotions. Scientists believe it's related to dopamine and endorphins. These usually make us feel happy and content, but sometimes the brain processes signals differently, leading to unpleasant emotions. Simply put, the brain's wiring is confused, interpreting pleasure as sadness.